Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can give access to Facebook page on mobile and computer or PC. Now basically this works the same. All you have to do is to navigate through your page right here from the Facebook application or the browser itself. And basically once inside, you then want to click on the Switch Now option. After clicking on Switch Now, you want to scroll down once again, and then you want to simply navigate through the settings of the page itself. Scroll down once more, and then you want to look for the page access. So to find it easier, let's just go ahead and search it right here. And right after that, you then want to head over to the page access option. Now to add another person to your page, you can just click on the add new button, click on next, and from there you then have to search them by name or email, and then they have to accept the access that you have gave them on their Facebook accounts. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.